O, di ba? Ang hirap ng gano'n. Baga may usapan kayo, tapos 25 minutes too late. Alright, shoutout. ID number. Tori, shoutout. Ayan. Bubu, shoutout. Alright, shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, medyo late yung pag-shoutout natin. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayan, shoutout time check 7:17. This is Mix D, your sexy cowboy. Talaga lang ha, sexy daw. Sexy nga ba? Hindi naman kayo nagko-comment eh. O sige, mag-comment kayo. Alright, let's see what's coming up. Alright, ano ba yung gusto kong kantahin? Alright, no? Nakita nyo ba yun? Ay, thank you for following me. Ayan, Wilma, thank you. Thank you for following me. Shoutout sa'yo. Alright, let's do this. Just the Way You Are. Napakagandang kanta. Classic, iconic na ballad song. Billy Joel. Don't go changing to try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. And don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. You always had my unspoken passion. Although I might not seem to care, I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. Oh, what it will it take till you believe in me the way that I believe in you? And I said I love you, and that's forever. And this I promise from the heart. I couldn't love you any better. I love you just the way you are. It's alright. Woo. I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. Oh. Shout out Tony. Ayan, nice to see you, Tony. Magandang gabi, Tony.